Hey YouTube, I'm going to make a quick little video on how to winterize your camper. It's actually really easy. Mine is a 2011 North Country, but they're all going to be pretty much the same. Don't mind the flies. It's been fly season here. So, let me show you what we got going on here. Alright, this is going to apply to anybody that has a hot water heater bypass setup on it. If you notice the cut, that is not me. That is the factory that did that. So, somewhere on your camper, you should have an access panel to your water heater. Mine was held on by 4 screws. Pull that off. Exposes your rough cut. But here's your water heater. There you have water that comes in. You turn on your faucet, it goes out. So what we need to do is we need to bypass this water heater. So I have a valve here and a valve here, so it closes off any flow in and out of the water heater. And open this one. Now it's allowed to bypass. Cold water, instead of coming into the water heater, heating up and coming out, it's just going to go straight up to all your faucets. Okay. And then somewhere else on your camper, you need to find your water pump. So on this one, it's underneath here, and you have the winterizing hose. Here, and there should be a valve to turn on your hose, and then you're going to have to shut off somewhere in here. There should be a shut off. Yeah, so there's a hose going to your freshwater tank that picks up and goes to your water pump. You're going to close that off. Mine is down here. So this one is for the winterizing hose. Then I have a valve right here that closes off the intake or the pickup tube from the water tank. So once you got your water heater bypassed, you have your service hose opened and the valve shut to your water heater. You're going to grab your RV antifreeze, put your service hose in. All right, once you have your valves closed, you're going to want to put it inside your RV antifreeze. I turned on the hot water in the kitchen. You're going to want to turn the water pump on. The water pump is going to start sucking the antifreeze down. As soon as it has pink, you stop. We're going to come into the bathroom, hot water. Turns pink, stop. Stop, but you want to make sure you do your shower head. Pink, stop. So now all your hot water minus your outside shower, if you have it, has been winterized. So now we're gonna go cold. 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 And a real important one is your toilet. I might have ran out. So this camper usually takes 1.5 gallons. I had a half gallon from last year left over. So we're gonna put that one in there. Any residual stuff, I always pour right into the black tank or the gray tank. So water pump's still on. side. I'd say probably the most forgotten one is your outside shower if you have it. I think pretty much all showers have them now. We don't ever use it, but it still fills full of water. So we're going to go hot. Pink. We're going to go cold. Pink. Shut those off. Now you're going to have a your high point or low point drains. Give her a little pink. I had to replace this one, so it's got a makeshift one on it. Pink. And then make sure your water heater is opened up. I got the annuator rod out of mine. No water sitting in that. And then make sure your fresh water drain is open. Fresh water in there. That's pretty much it on winterizing your camper. You just make sure you have pink going through everything. We'll go through here probably later today and clean up all the dead flies and ladybugs and grab any food that might be in here. And what we do is we use dryer sheets to keep the mice away, and it seems to be working pretty good. So pretty much used all that. So 1.5 gallons, and you are winterized. And then if you have access or the ability to drain the waste tanks, the gray and the black, I would do it. We have a extra storage tote. So I'll just open up that valve and let it sit. That's all there is to it. Get everything cleaned up and put away for the winter. And your camper should be problem-free as far as water goes. Hope that helped, guys. Have a good one.